Hey folks, Brandon Murphy here, Grove City Ford. Just wanted to take a moment to get you familiar with the all-new redesigned Lincoln Nautilus. As you can see on the front end of the vehicle, they upgraded the front fascia, giving it a beautiful new sleekish style. Upgraded headlights, you got some premium wheels on here. One of my favorite things about the Lincolns is the way you gain access to the vehicles with their fancy door handles that they have here. Take a moment, take a look at the inside at the all-new virtual dashboard on the top. As you can see, it starts on the driver's side, extends panoramic all the way over to the passenger side. Very, very nice vehicle. Very, very well equipped as well. If you are in the market for a 5-passenger SUV, luxury end, please don't roll this one out. If you'd like any additional information on it, come on down and see us. As for me, yours truly, Brandon Murphy, we'd be happy to take care of you.